Alright, this is a Hardinge Conquest T-42 big bore. It's new in 1997. Has a 1 degree indexing on the main spindle. The machine also has a sub spindle. Is equipped with live tooling on the turret. It's a 12 position turret. And we're gonna run the machine. First I'm gonna start with the main spindle. We'll index the B axis. That's 90 degrees. Go to 180. Now we'll run the main spindle. That's 1,000 RPM. That's 2,000 RPM. That's 2,500. Now we'll run the sub spindle. That's 1,000 RPM. That's 2,000. Now we'll run the live tooling. Well, I'll index the turret first. All right, we'll run the live tooling now. That's 1,000 RPM on the live tool. That's 2,000 RPM. That's 3,000. All right, now we'll jog the axes around. We'll start with the sub spindle first. Then we'll do X and Z up here. And your part sketcher. And that's it. Machine has a series 18T control FANUC. Also has a chip conveyor. Machine also has an LNS quick load bar feed. Not in the video. And that's it.